Hello, are you consistently exerting extra effort each day? And do you find yourself compensating for others' lack of motivation and work ethic by having to increase your own workload? Welcome to the dark side of the hustling culture. Having a good work ethic and bringing your best to the job is important, but many people have started to think that they have to prioritize work over their family, health, and well-being. Hustle, 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 until you deal with unhealthy lifestyle choices, obesity, high blood pressure, and other health concerns. I hear this so often. Karin, young people don't have the same work ethic. They actually say no to certain tasks, and they think that they can leave work between 5 and 6 p.m. Now let me ask you, should we be angry and concerned that they don't want to follow their parents' footsteps? Or should we applaud them for wanting to have a more joyful life experience outside of work? If people don't want to go the extra mile, take a closer look at the unhealthy workplace cultures that seem to be normal for way too many people. I have seen lazy and demotivated people in every generation, and we should not blame this on young people. After all, they were raised by the people who complain the most about perceived shortcomings of the younger generation, and they have also observed their parents being depleted and at times fired after years of hard work and loyalty. Did you know that the hustling mindset often involves sacrificing leisure time, personal relationships, and even sleep to achieve one's goals? What person looks back at you when you look in the mirror? Today, I want to encourage you to make more intentional choices. Balance ambition with self-care. Set healthy boundaries by learning to say no. Redefine success beyond traditional metric and hustling culture. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.